Welcome to Dubai, a city that pushes the boundaries of architecture and innovation. Today we're taking you on an exclusive journey to the pinnacle of modern engineering, the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. Dubai wasn't always the glamorous city we know today. In just a few decades, it has transformed into a global icon. In the early 2000s, Dubai wanted to put itself on the map with a groundbreaking project, the Burj Khalifa. Standing at an incredible 828 meters, it's a marvel of human ingenuity. Construction began in 2004, with a dream of creating a record-breaking skyscraper. But this wasn't just any building. This was going to be a global landmark. Designed by architect Adrian Smith, the Burj Khalifa took 6 years, thousands of workers, and cutting-edge engineering. The tower's unique Y-shaped design, called the buttressed core, gives it both strength and flexibility, allowing it to withstand high winds and earthquakes. Engineers faced unique challenges, from extreme heat to high wind forces, all while working over 800 meters above ground. The Burj Khalifa holds numerous records beyond being the tallest building. It has the highest occupied floor in the world, the tallest service elevator, and even the highest outdoor observation deck. With over 160 stories, it's a vertical city on its own. Inside the Burj Khalifa, you'll find the luxurious Armani Hotel, designed by fashion icon Giorgio Armani. Above, there are more than 900 private residences, from studios to spacious penthouses. It's more than just a building, it's a community. The observation decks at the top, on the 124th floor, and at the top sky, on the 148th floor, offer views that are truly out of this world. At these heights, you can even see the curvature of the earth on clear days. The Burj Khalifa's LED light displays are a spectacle of their own, illuminating the Dubai skyline every night. And at the base you'll find the Dubai Fountain, one of the largest and most choreographed fountain systems in the world. Every evening people gather here to witness a mesmerizing dance of water and light, with the Burj Khalifa towering above as a backdrop. The Burj Khalifa is more than just the world's tallest building. It's a symbol of what's possible when ambition meets vision. This masterpiece has put Dubai on the world map, inspiring engineers, architects, and dreamers everywhere. Whether you're visiting Dubai or simply admiring it from afar, the Burj Khalifa stands as a testament to what humanity can achieve. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more adventures exploring the wonders of our world.